Yeah, what is happening here? I am giving something more than 10 characters I am giving here. Okay, but customer number will allow only 10 characters, right? So it will consider first 10 characters only. Okay, so the first 10 characters will come up to here. Okay, the first 10 characters it is taking, and it is sending the data to LTVBAK. So the customer number is available there, right? Now what I will do, so I am just passing the customer number like this. Okay, I'm just removing something characters 3 6 9 10. Okay, 10 characters number I'm passing here, and click on check here and activate it here. Let me execute it now. Now if I click on F5 button, so it is not going inside of this if condition because the data is not finding in this LTVBAK. Okay, so in this way we can check the data is available in the internal table. Okay, fine. Now I have one experiment, like I want to find out some index number. Okay, index number, how can we find out? So usually we will write like something, a read table already I have mentioned here, so I will use the same thing here. Okay, read table, and the customer number, where is it? Yeah, fine. So read table syntax is coming here, and transporting no fields, that is also fine, no issue. And here we have to write like something index number. Okay, so I will take something LV and is equal to S5 INDX. Size of bus is equal to 0. I will write like here ND, and let me check it here. Syntactically this is correct or not. So LV and square IND is not declared, right? So I will declare here only. Okay, here only I am declaring it here. Let me check it now. So syntactically there is no error. So let me keep the breakpoint here. Click on execute. Now click on F5 button. So what is the index number here? Just double click on this S5 index number. Index number is not coming here, right? So size of bars is equal to 0. Fine. What is happening here? So in this internal table, the customer number is available at 18. Okay, 18th line. So let me check this one. S5 and tabix. Okay, so instead of this S5 and index, we can pass this tabix also here. So let me write like this. Okay. So S5 and tabix I am passing here. Just check it here and activate. This is the system variable. SAP is giving this variable. So click on F5 button. So if we see this one S5 and tab X, double click on it, 18 is coming. So this 18 line we have to pass to this LV underscore IND index number. Okay, now fine. The data is passing from this system variable to the local variable LVIND. Okay, so in this way we can find out the index number. Okay, in the read table syntax. I mean by using read table syntax, and we have to pass something variable is equal to something SYF and tab X index, like that we have to pass here, right? Fine. And coming to now in this 7.4 version onwards, so we can write like this one. So LV underscore IND index is equal to, I mean the declaration is not available, so data of I will take here data of. Okay, so here I am just passing line index. Okay, line index. So the I mean which internal table we are considering it here, LT underscore VBAK, and what is the condition here? Okay, the condition, same thing, customer number is equal to something all 075, all 005, right? So okay, fine. So let me check it here. Syntactically this is correct, and activate it here and execute. Okay, now LV underscore IND. So click on F5 button. So that 18 is coming in a single step only here. Okay, not required read table syntax, size over C. So this all things not required. Just in the single line we can get the index number. Okay, by using this syntax, line index syntax. Fine. This is also fine. Now I want to check the select query, the customer number is available or not, like that. Okay, so we will use some, I mean I will give something parameter or select options like that I will give, and after that one we have to check the data is there or not. Okay, so we have to validate that input here. So what we will do, we will write the select query like select single. For example, I will write like this. So here I'm fetching something data from KNA1, right? So for that one only I'm writing it here. We will use something events, right? I mean at selection screen on, like there's some events we will use for validating the input fields. So in those events we can write like select single punar from KNA1, where punar is equal to p underscore punar, right? So here I am not taking any parameter like that, just I will give the hard coding value. Okay, but in real time we have to give something parameter or select options. Okay, now click on check here the select statement. Click on check here. Syntactically this is correct. Activate it and execute it here. Okay. Now if we check it here, LV underscore punar is not coming. Okay. So where punar is equal to yeah, this is okay, fine. But in the KNA1 table, the customer number 1 all 05 is there or not, don't know exactly. Let me cross check it once. So in this select query, it is showing like the data is not available. Okay, let me cross check it once. Click on execute it here. Fine. The customer number 171 all 05 is not available in the KNA1. That is correct only. That is why the data is not coming here. Okay, so let me take one more customer number. Okay, here I will pass that customer number and check it and activate it. It's activated. Now just execute it here. So if we check this LBN square kunar, we can see something data here. Something customer number is coming. Okay, so if we pass something select the options also in those select options, we will pass multiple customer numbers. So if we find single, I mean at least, I mean I'm giving some 10 customer numbers in the select options. So if we fetch something one customer number, then also the value will goes to this LVN square kunar. Fine. So here we need to check the customer numbers. All the customer numbers are available or not in the KNA1 table, and it has to pass the data to this variable. Okay, so searching the data and passing the data two times. It is, I mean, two works are going on. So instead of this one, so we can write in this way. Okay. So we can write like select single is okay. Select single something ABAP true. Okay, where customer number is equal to okay. Okay, check it. Okay, activate it. Let me check in this LVN square kunar. So here what it is coming. So not copying and pasting the customer number here. Just I am just checking the system variable I mean ABAP underscore true. Okay, the value for this variable equal to X here. Okay, instead of copying that customer number and pasting into this variable, just this X is coming here. Okay, so previously we are passing that customer number to this variable, but now not passing the customer number to this variable, just X I'm passing here. Okay, so bit performance will increase compared to this one. Okay, some nanoseconds of time will increase by using this syntax. That's it. Okay, the syntax they have given in 7.4. That's why we are discussing here. Okay, you can use either this one or this one, but now they're accepting in the code review like this. Okay, fine. And something I have one select query here. Okay, some customer number information I'm passing from, I'm taking it from some otherwise I'm writing something select query on top of ABAK. Here I'm not giving any where condition, right? So here I want to give something condition here. Okay, where customer number is equal to. Okay, here I will take something P underscore Kunar or S underscore Kunar. Okay, something parameter or select options. So like that we will give here, right? Now, now the requirement is like I want to consider a few customers. Okay, a few customers only. Those few customers I will maintain in one more table. So the end user is there. So he is asking something question to us. So I am maintaining a few customers in one table. Okay, day to day, the customers may change here. Okay, today I will add some customers, and tomorrow I may remove a few customers, and I will add a few more customers like that. So that's why I will use one table for that one. Okay, so now we are fetching something data from sales order information. So I need to consider only those customers. I mean the customers who are maintaining in the custom table. One table I am maintaining, right? So in that table, how many customers are there? For those customers only, I want to pick the sales order information. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do? So first of all, we have to write the select query on the custom table. The end user is maintaining the customer information in a custom table, right? So on top of that table, we need to write one select query. Okay, so after that one, we have to write the select query on top of this VBAK, and we have to use some for all entries concept here or inner joins concept here. Okay, so instead of these two concepts, so I am writing on the one more select query here. Okay, this is one select query. So in the where condition, I have to pass the parameter or select options. So instead of that one, I will write one more select query here. Select. Okay, select Kunal. See, I have created one table here. Let me open it once. Okay. I am just maintaining something customer number and NETW or something price amount. I am maintaining it here and click on execute it here. Execute. And here I am maintaining 6 customer numbers. Okay, and here's a net value. I will discuss. I mean the purpose. I will discuss it later. So as of now, I am just considering the customer number. Okay, only customer number. Fine. Now I will come to the program, and here I need to write the select query on top of that custom table, right? The table name. Okay, copy it here and paste it here. Okay, just I'm selecting something customer number from this table. Okay, and here I'm using something equal to. Okay, equal to. So if we are fetching something a single customer number, then the equal to is okay here, but I'm fetching something multiple customer numbers here. At that time, equal to is not suitable. In our select queries also, if we are writing something select query on top of parameter, then we have to use equal to symbol. If we are using something select options, then we have to use in operator, right? So here also I will write in only because multiple customers are available in this table. Okay, let me check it here, activate it here, execute it here. Okay, directly I'm executing. So let me check it here, LTVBAK. Okay, so if we check in this LTVBAK the customers, so 17 all zeros 5, 17 all zeros 1, how many customers are available? Okay, let me check it here. Only 2 customers are available. 171 0005 and 171 all zeros 1, right? So so this is the custom table, right? And here, if I see here something customers, so one all zeros 1 and one all zeros 5 is coming, right? But remaining customers, the customer number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these customers are not available in the KNA1 table. Okay, sorry, not KNA1, in the VBAK table. Let me check that one also. So just click on back, just for cross checking the data is available or not. Okay, in the select query, it is not fetching the data. So I will go to VBAK and click on display here. Click on execute. I am just giving the customer numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, click on execute it here. Data is not fetching. Okay, from VBA, in the VBAK, the customer numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 customer numbers are not available. That is why it is not fetching any data in VBAK. Same thing is applying here also. Same thing here also it is applying. Only 171 all zeros 5 and 171 all zeros 1 only is coming here. Okay, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 customer numbers data is not coming in the select query. Okay, so fine. So this is the way to write something a select query inside select query. So this concept is called here something subquery. Okay, we will call it here the subqueries. Fine, fine. Now I have something internal table here, something LT VBAK something or LTK1, two internal tables are there. So I have to use some field symbols. Okay, so for the reading tables, for read table syntax, uh, we have assigned something field symbol, right? So the syntax is there. Okay, 36 line, I have maintained something a field symbol, right? So this is for read table syntax. Okay? Read table syntax. Now, in the looping, okay, in looping, how can we use the field symbols? So I will take something looping here, loop at LT KNA1 into data of ls underscore customer. Okay, end loop. So this is the way, but our requirement is we should not use the work area concept here. Okay, we have to use something field symbol. So previously we have to declare one field symbol. Okay, so field symbols and fs underscore customer information. Okay, and type and the type name I'm not maintaining here, right? So I will take something, this one s4. Okay, and here I will take something sales order information. I'm just looping just here instead of kn1 I will loop the vbak. Okay, so loop at ltvbak into data of lsvb, lss4. So here I don't want to use the work area concept. So here I will write the fs. Okay, field symbol I will write. So this is the way to write this one. Okay, so without declarations. Okay, I don't want to use any declaration of field symbol. I will keep it in comment. So whenever I'm looping this one, at that time only I have to declare it. Okay, the field symbols I have to declare and I have to use it at that time only. So I will write like this. Okay, loop at ltvbak assigning field symbol of fs underscore so. Let me cross check it once syntactically. Okay, fine, activate it here. Okay, so this is the way to use the field symbol in the work area without any declarations. Okay, directly. So previously we have used some inline declarations for select queries. Okay, in the select query we did not declare any internal table work area. In the same way, in the looping statement, instead of declaring any field symbols directly, I am using the field symbol here. Okay, fine. Now so the concept will work in the, as it is. Okay, previously how it was working, the field symbols concept, the looping, in the same way it will work. Just declaration part I am explaining. Instead of declaring that field symbol directly, we can use it here. Okay, that's what I am explaining here. Fine. Now I want to write something select query. Okay, I want to write something select query like select partner. The requirement is like how many material numbers are available. Okay, how many material numbers are available in the MARA table, or uh, wait 1 minute. Mm, yeah, how many materials are available? Count I want here. Okay, the count like select count of mat now from MARA. Okay, into LV. Otherwise, I will take here like this one as count of Matner, but it is showing something mess error here. Let me check like this. Let me check the syntax. Count of Matner. Okay, the unknown column name, count of Matner. I think something space we have to give here, and we need to give something space here. Let me check it now. Okay, the field Matner from select list missing by group by class. Yeah. So what is it is showing here? So whenever we are writing this some functions, some aggregate functions like some count, something sum, okay, maximum, minimum. So this type of things, then whatever the fields we are taking here. So based on the fields, we have to use some group by. Let me write this one, then I will explain group by mat now. Okay, let me check it here. Okay, at the rate symbol I have missed. Fine. Click and check here. Into appending class must be at the end of the, yeah, correct only. Okay, this one I will cut it here, and I will write at the end. Now check the syntax. Incorrect nesting before the end of the program. The control structure includes select must be closed with end select. Is it? And I will take something internal table. Then why I have to write here into table? Where is it? Into table I will write. Okay. Now let me check. Fine. Now what I am writing here. I want to find out the count here. Okay, how many materials are available in MARA table? Okay, now activate and execute it here. So I am just taking one internal table. Double click on the internal table LTMA array. So here how it is showing. So the meaning here, the material number is coming 85015. Okay, total one record is available. Okay, and here 85016, total one record is available. Here in MA array table, the material number is the primary key. So it will not allow any duplicates. Okay, only single value will be there. Generic value will be there in MA array. Right, I will go to MARD. Let me check that one. MARD, because in MARD we will get some records like the material number equal to 123, the plant equal to something, plant 1, and the storage location. So these three fields are the key fields in MARD. Okay, let me check it here. Click on check and execute it here. Execute it here. Double click on this MARD internal table. Now double click on it here. If you see here, the material number, the first one is coming as the 1. Okay. So in the MARD table, we can see this record, this material only one time. Okay. And coming to the TZ10, let me copy it here and just open the table, the separate session. MARD, click on display button and click on execute button here. I am giving something the material number, right? So the material number is something TZ10 something is there. TZ10, and if we check here how many entries are available, 2 entries are available, right? So if we execute it here, the material number is coming TZ10, but the plant is 1710 for both records, and the LGORT is different here. Okay, the storage location is different here. Total the material is coming in the 2 rows. Okay, the count is coming here as 2, the program. Okay, let me cross check with this one, TZ0099. The table T0 TZ0099. Okay, let me execute it here. So how many records are coming? Total 4 records are coming here. Okay, so same material number, and uh, for 3 records 1720, sorry, for 2 records 1710 is the plant number, and 1720 is a different plant, and Z110 is the different plant, and the storage location is different here. Okay, material number is same, but the plant number and storage locations are different here. So I want to know the count here. So that's what I'm writing, the count. Okay, count is coming as 4 here. And whenever we are writing this count here, okay, count or minimum, maximum, like that, some operations are there, and we will discuss those things also tomorrow. And as of now, I'm explaining about count. Okay, count of Matner, and here Matner is I'm mentioning that Matner, right? So other than this count, okay, other than this count, how many fields are there? So those all fields we have to maintain in group by. Okay, here I am adding something group by. So if we don't add this one, system will throw error. Okay, so here count of matter or minimum of matter, maximum of something value, or something summation of something. So we tomorrow we will discuss those things. So uh, before those things, okay, before these count or something operations or functions are there, so before that one, how many columns we are maintaining, like customer number or material number or something, plant number or storage location. So how many columns we are taking, those all columns we have to maintain in group by. Okay, and we have to note one point here. So into table is coming. This into table should be at the end of the syntax only. Okay, so actually we will write a syntax like select all fields from our table MARD into table, like that we will write here. But instead of writing like that, we need to write that into table syntax at the end of that line. Okay, small change. Fine. So these are the open SQL statements, and tomorrow also we will discuss a few uh, concepts are there. Okay, we will discuss those things tomorrow. And anyone have doubts up to here? Any doubts?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, whenever we use a count function, we need to use a group by statement. Otherwise, it will throw error, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sum and count. When we use, we should use group by.
Yes, yes. Group by is the mandatory thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other guys? Any other doubts? Yeah. Okay then. So if you have any doubt, then please ping me. Okay, tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.